What do you do if the music is too loud when you edit an interview? Well, you can create a cut here, right where the person is about to talk. Press B for the blade tool, cut again when they're done talking, and then drag this section down to lower the volume. But that's too long. That's just too long. Just press R to activate the range tool, drag over the section you want to duck, hover over the volume line, pull it down, and done.
Well, I am a humanitarian worker, so I have been to some of those places, and I know some of the humanitarian workers that are included in the documentary, so it comes close to my heart.
That was much easier, right? And much faster. Congratulations. That's audio ducking for you right there. And I got 2 more range tool tricks that'll help you edit faster without losing too much control of your timeline, and maybe a bonus tip at the end. So stick around, stick with me. We're gonna really have fun with this R tool right here, or the range tool. So let's get it. If you want to slow down and then speed up a section of your high frame rate clip, and that's very important right there, if you want it to be smooth, it has to be a clip that was shot in a high frame rate. Instead of cutting the clip in 3 parts, just press R, drag over just the section you want to slow down, then go here to open the retime options just right here. And you can see all the options here. You can slow it down with this option, or use the AI version with this smooth slow-mo option right here. Guess what? It will just affect this selected portion right here. Hey, but let me know in the comment section if you want a video just about speed ramping. We can go through all the very few AI stuff that Final Cut Pro has right here. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, next. Now this one blew my mind when I first learned how to use it. Let's say someone is talking in an interview and you want to add a quick B-roll on top. Press R and drag to create the range just where you want to put the B-roll at on top of the video. Then pick your B-roll in the browser right here on the top left. Just select it, then press Q. Then here is where the magic happens. Final Cut Pro calculates how much of the clip to use, and it ends exactly where you want it. It starts where the range starts and it ends where the range ends. You can also choose the beginning of your clip from the browser by pressing I as in. So let's say I wanted to start right here. I just need to press I, and then I press Q, and the rest is automatic. This is perfect for interview cuts when you don't need too much details, but just a quick B-roll on top. Or you can also use it to sync a cut with a beat. Let me show you that one really quick. Let's listen to this beat first. Okay, let's say I want to add a clip from this beat to this one. I'm going to use markers so that I can remember where those changes are. Tap M to mark each beat. Then use the range tool to select between those markers. Select the clip from the browser, and then you know it by now, press Q. So when that beat drops, there will be a cut right there, and that will make the video even more dynamic, if you know what I mean. So if you mark multiple beats, which are basically potential cuts first, you can finish a montage quicker, especially if you have good footages ready to put on the timeline. This is how you get those snappy, satisfying edits that feel like they're dancing with the music. Bonus, I told you there's a bonus. This is how you can export just part of your timeline with the range tool. Maybe you're just creating a shorter version, sending it to a client, or just a teaser. No need to duplicate the project. Just press R, highlight the section you want, then go to the export button. Right here on the right, you see the sign here, like this one is only this many seconds of the timeline. And the estimated size is right here, just to the right. It's really, really low. Now I really know that it's just a part of this timeline. Just click next and you will be done. Export only what you need or what you want. Hey, if you got value from this one, drop a like, subscribe. Shout out to Audiio for providing the music and the sound effects in this video. If you want to check them out, check the link in the description, use it, and you will get a really, really good discount, and it's going to help this channel as well. And I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Peace.